At Gulf Smiles, my team and I offer just about all types of implant options to our patients. Anything from replacing a single missing tooth to replacing multiple teeth, all the way to replacing a full arch of missing teeth with implants. So I think one of the advantages that we have is that we're able to provide from beginning to end under one roof. We do the surgical, the post-op, the delivery. It's all taken care of in one place, and they don't have to go drive around to 2, 3, 4 different offices. And I think patients appreciate that. If you have any issues with your teeth and you've ever considered implants to replace a single tooth to multiple teeth, or you're thinking about replacing all your teeth with implants, give us a call. We'll bring you in for a complimentary consultation. We'll take some radiographs, we'll do some planning and see if this is something that will fit you.